Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard San Diego Old Town. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, family rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Courtyard San Diego Old Town. This hotel offers air-conditioned rooms, an on-site cafe serving Californian cuisines and a well-equipped fitness center. Laundry and dry cleaning services are available. San Diego Zoo is 6 miles away. All rooms have deluxe bedding which includes designer comforters and down comforters. Each room at Courtyard San Diego Old Town includes cable TV and pay-per-view TV. Video games are available for rent. At Courtyard San Diego Old Town, guests can relax and unwind in the hot tub or outdoor swimming pool. The lobby provides complimentary tea, coffee facilities to all guests. Courtyard San Diego Old Town is a 10-minute drive from USS Midway Museum. The Jolla Country Club is a 20-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.